Welcome. Today, we're breaking down one of the most exciting fields in technology, machine learning. You may have heard the term before, but what exactly is machine learning? How does it work, and why is it so powerful? Stick around, and let's find out. Part 1, Defining Machine Learning. To start, let's define machine learning. In simple terms, machine learning is a way to teach computers to learn from data rather than following hard-coded instructions. Unlike traditional programming, where a developer writes rules to solve a specific problem, machine learning allows a computer to analyze data, identify patterns, and improve on its own. Imagine teaching a computer to recognize pictures of cats. Instead of programming every possible cat characteristic, you'd show it thousands of cat photos. The computer learns patterns from the images, like the shape of ears or the presence of fur, and eventually can recognize a cat on its own. This ability to learn is the core of machine learning. Part 2, How Machine Learning Works. So, how does machine learning actually work? It starts with data. Machines need lots of data to learn effectively. This data can come from various sources like images, text, numbers, or even audio files. Once we have data, we use algorithms to analyze it. An algorithm in machine learning is a set of instructions or steps that help the computer process data and make predictions. There are different types of algorithms, each suited for specific kinds of problems. For example, one common approach is supervised learning, where the computer is given labeled data, meaning it knows the right answers ahead of time. It uses this information to make predictions. If we were training it to recognize cats, we'd label photos with cat or not cat. The machine would then learn which characteristics are associated with each label. Another approach is unsupervised learning, where there are no labels. The machine identifies patterns or groups within the data by itself, often useful for discovering similarities or clusters in the data. Part 3, Types of Machine Learning. There are three main types of machine learning. Supervised learning, as we mentioned, this is where the machine is trained with labeled data. Examples include predicting house prices based on historical data or classifying emails as spam. Unsupervised learning, here, the data is unlabeled, and the machine tries to find patterns on its own. It's used in cases like customer segmentation, where the goal is to group similar customers together. Reinforcement learning, this is like trial and error. The machine learns by receiving rewards or penalties for its actions. Reinforcement learning is used in games, robotics, and even self-driving cars. Narrator, now that we know how machine learning works, let's look at some real-world examples. Recommendation systems, when Netflix suggests a show or Amazon recommends a product, they're using machine learning to analyze your preferences and make suggestions based on similar users. Image and speech recognition, machine learning powers the technology behind facial recognition on your phone and voice assistants like Siri and Alexa. These systems have learned to recognize patterns in voices and images to respond accurately. Self-driving cars, in autonomous vehicles, machine learning is used to interpret road signs, detect obstacles, and make driving decisions, all based on data from sensors and past experiences. Part 5, Why Machine Learning is Important. Narrator, machine learning is transforming our world by enabling computers to solve complex problems often faster and more accurately than humans can. It's becoming essential in fields like healthcare, finance, entertainment, and transportation, creating smarter tools and technologies to make our lives easier. And with continuous advances, the possibilities for machine learning are nearly endless. Thanks for joining me for this introduction to machine learning. Whether it's helping us find our next favorite show, powering autonomous cars, or transforming industries, machine learning is shaping our future. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech breakdowns. See you next time.